This plastic gun changed the world. When the Glock 17 launched in 1982, people laughed. A polymer frame? A gun without a traditional safety? Crazy. But it was designed by Gaston Glock, and it was built different. Lightweight, fewer parts than most pistols, easy to maintain, and insanely reliable. No complicated switches, just Glock's safe action system, simple and consistent every time you pull the trigger. Today, Glock is trusted by law enforcement and military units around the world, from controversial to iconic. That's the Glock legacy.